Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use LinkedIn in 2026. Whether you're looking for a job, growing your professional network, or building your personal brand, LinkedIn has everything you need to connect with professionals around the world. First, sign in to your LinkedIn account. After logging in, you'll arrive on the home page where you'll see updates from your connections, companies, and people you follow. You can like, comment on, or share posts to engage with your network. Next, click on your profile and make sure it's complete. Add a professional profile photo, a strong headline, and informative about section, your work experience, education, and relevant skills. A complete profile helps you stand out to recruiters and other professionals. To grow your network, use the search bar at the top to find people, companies, or organizations. Click Connect ** to send connection requests and include a personalized message if appropriate. As your network grows, you'll see more relevant content and opportunities. If you're looking for a job, click the ** Jobs * tab. Search by job title, company, or location, then use filters to narrow down the results. When you find a position that matches your skills, review the job description carefully and click * apply *. You can also turn on job alerts * to receive notifications about new openings. LinkedIn is also a great place to learn new skills. Visit *LinkedIn Learning * to explore courses on business, technology, marketing, design, and many other topics. Completing courses and earning certificates can strengthen your profile. Stay active by sharing posts, writing articles, commenting on discussions, and congratulating your connections on their achievements. Regular activity increases your visibility and helps you build valuable professional relationships. You can also join industry groups, follow companies you're interested in, attend LinkedIn events, and send messages to your connections to expand your network and discover new opportunities. That's it, you now know the basics of using LinkedIn in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more LinkedIn guides, and thanks for watching.